Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're talking about a vacuum cleaner that's designed to make cleaning a lot easier, cleaner, and more efficient. The Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum, model BU3523, promises to take a lot of the hassle out of vacuuming with its unique features and thoughtful design. With automatic charging and emptying, a motorized hand tool for pet hair, and a lightweight design, it's definitely worth taking a deeper look. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. At the heart of this vacuum is its automatic charging and emptying system. After every cleaning session, you simply return the vacuum to its charging dock, and it empties itself into the base. That means no more dirt on your hands or dust clouds in your home when you're cleaning out the bin. It's an automatic feature that cuts down on the usual messiness of emptying your vacuum, so you can breathe easy knowing the dust and debris are sealed away. In fact, the vacuum claims to expose up to 500 times less dust during the emptying process compared to traditional methods. This is especially useful for those who suffer from allergies or for anyone who wants to avoid adding more dust to the air after a cleaning session. The Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick is 30% lighter than the previous Shark Vertex Pro, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around your home. Whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or tricky spots like stairs, this lightweight design allows you to move around effortlessly. For those looking for a bit more versatility, the vacuum transforms into a handheld unit with the exclusive motorized hand tool. This tool is perfect for picking up pet hair from furniture, upholstery, or your car, making it an ideal option for pet owners. Another standout feature is the impressive runtime. You can enjoy up to 40 minutes of cleaning time in eco mode, which is more than enough to get your whole home cleaned. Whether it's for a quick sweep or a more thorough cleaning session, the vacuum provides plenty of power without requiring constant recharging. In addition, the battery life in this vacuum stays solid, ensuring that it holds up well in both higher and lower power settings. The filtration system on the Shark Clean and Empty is another win. With its HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, it traps over 99.97% of dust and allergens, down to 0.3 microns. This feature makes it an excellent choice for those dealing with allergies, as it helps keep the air cleaner as you clean. And with the multi-surface brush roll, the vacuum automatically adjusts to the type of floor it's cleaning, making it just as effective on carpets as it is on hardwood or tiles. This level of versatility makes it a great choice for homes with different flooring types. Real-world use has shown that this vacuum handles fine dust and debris on hard floors very well, with the auto-adjusting brush roll doing a good job of optimizing itself for whatever surface you're cleaning. When it comes to carpets, it holds up just as well, with strong suction that lifts embedded dirt and pet hair. If you have pets or long hair, the motorized hand tool does an excellent job of picking up the stubborn hairs that tend to get stuck in corners or on furniture. The LED headlights on the nozzle also help reveal hidden debris, so you can make sure your cleaning is as thorough as possible. But no product is perfect. While this vacuum excels in many areas, it does have its drawbacks. For one, the overall size and weight, while lighter than its predecessor, may still be a bit bulky for some users, especially when transitioning to handheld mode. The automatic emptying feature is convenient, but it can also make the docking station a bit larger than you might want if you're short on storage space. And while the battery life is solid, it can dip faster in higher power modes, so if you have a large area to clean, you may need to recharge mid-clean. In terms of value for money, the Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum stands out in its category. It delivers on multiple fronts: strong suction power, excellent filtration, solid runtime, and smart design features like the automatic emptying system. Compared to similar vacuums at this price range, especially those marketed for pet owners or allergy sufferers, it offers a nice balance of performance and convenience. The included attachments, like the motorized hand tool and duster crevice tool, also add extra value, making it a versatile option for tackling different cleaning tasks. Now, if you're shopping around and considering other models, there are a few alternatives worth noting. For example, The Dyson V11 torque drive offers comparable suction power and multi-floor cleaning capabilities, but it lacks the automatic emptying feature, and it's more expensive. Another option, the Bissell Icon Pet, also offers strong pet hair removal and a decent runtime, but it doesn't match the Shark in terms of filtration or self-emptying. Each of these options has its own strengths, but when it comes to value for money, the Shark is a solid contender. In terms of build quality, the Shark Clean and Empty feels sturdy, with premium-feeling plastics and solid joints. The motorized hand tool is durable, and the dustbin and brush roll assembly are easy to maintain, though the brush roll can get clogged with long hair, so regular cleaning is necessary. Over time, the performance should hold up well, as Shark has a good reputation for building reliable vacuums, though long-term data on this specific model is still sparse. Customer support for Shark is generally regarded as responsive, with a reputation for resolving issues efficiently. If you ever need help with parts or troubleshooting, their support team tends to be reliable. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a warranty to back up its durability. To wrap up, the Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum is an excellent choice for households looking for a versatile, user-friendly, and powerful cleaning tool. It's particularly great for pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone dealing with a variety of floor types. Its automatic emptying system is a game changer, making it a low-maintenance option for busy users. While it's not perfect, there's the issue of storage space for the dock and slight performance drop in high power modes. It's still a solid performer at its price point. Whether you're looking to tackle pet hair, fine dust, or everyday messes, this vacuum is a reliable choice that delivers on its promises. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next vacuum breakdown. And if you've already tried the Shark Clean and Empty, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it clean with Reviews Inside TV.